Today we will learn what is undo data and when it is used. Whenever we do a given operation, update inside of delete, previous block image is stored in undo segment and undo table. This undo data is used to roll back your transaction. Let's say you are updating some record and then you want to roll back. From where it will bring your own page. While you are updating a record and you did not commit yet, someone else wants to see the same record. What value you will see? The value you are changing or the value that was originally stored in the database, and where from it will see them. Let's have a demo on a new table, and I will show how undo table space grows in size when you do transactions and how original values are stored to make the consistency. In this demonstration, we will create a fresh table space and a fresh undo table space and a new user to see how table space size grows with transaction and how old values of the table data is preserved for read consistency. We will check how undo table space grows to maintain your DML operations previous value. We call them fast images also. This script will be used to generate number of rows. Bulk insert like 20,000 rows at once into a table. Let's create the new table spaces and now let's create a new undo table space and change at system level also. Now if you see show parameter, we have new undo table space. Now we will disconnect so that it gets new table space. Here we will connect. This is one connection and this is second connection. In this connection, we create a table and generate below. We will see how table spaces are increasing and undo table spaces are increasing. Let's see what is the size of our undo table space. So our demo table space number is 8 and undo table space number is 9. Let's check value to restrict our controls. Okay, this user will create a table and do data insert. In the script, I am not going to commit command so that I can show you how undo table space is increased to help you return or roll back. If I run this command, select count 1, test 1, I will see 20,000 rows. If I say roll back at the moment, all the transactions will be removed because we are not yet committed. I mean, to persist your transaction, you have to run commit command. But before I run commit command, I want to show you how undo table space size is increasing. Still it is not increased. We got 40,000 crores. Still not increased. More transactions. Now you see the undo table space size start growing to keep previous copies of the table low. At this stage, I say roll back. I'm going to remove all 60,000 rows. But I'm going to commit so that 60,000 rows should be preserved. From second session, now I will start demonstrating how read consistency is maintained. Let's say this guy, this connection is querying some data. So he sees that the serial, these column values are these A, B, C. Let's say in another session somebody is going to update the rows. Just one set sname1 is equal to sname2 is equal to sname3 is equal to where S number any. Let's say for the same these rows, somebody is modifying data. And the person who is modifying data, he will see his new entries or new updated values. Even in this session, you execute the same query, what data you will see? AA or YY. If you are saying YY, then you are wrong, because this session will see data from undo table space. Undo data is stored for read consistency until this guy, the person who is doing conversions, he commits. Now these transactions are persisting in the data. The other sessions can see the new value. This is how undo data and undo table space are used for read consistency. What will happen to undo table space if we are going to update the whole table, which has now 60,000 rows? Will it increase or the size will remain same? Let's say this guy is updating. Update test1 set sname is equal to tell sname1. He's going to update 60,000 rows. We updated the size immediately because it is keeping the previous variables. This guy updated sname to xxx, and the previous session if he selects, what he will see? is still holding. Where from? It is coming from undo table space. As long as this guy commits, other section will start seeing who